Hey guys, so we finally got Black Clover Manga 271 official translation. So, before starting of the manga, let's just say that the new Jump Fest cover finally got Asta in it. So, Asta in his devil arm holding the demon destroyer sword, and with his normal arm is holding Yami's katana. So, yep, so we finally got Asta in Jump Fest. And one more thing, in the official uh, Jump Fest panel, we see that Asta actually has two different horns. So one is Libe's, the crooked horn, and the other is actually straight, just like Noct. So we can say that Asta has two different horns at this point. So the official panel actually proves it. So, starting of the chapter, we see Noct in his actual devil form. I think he has merged with his devils, and the transform is what are the power of vice captain. So, what are the true power of the vice captain of the Black Bulls? Devil uniting. So, Noct's actual power is devil uniting, and Noct actually looks like Bloodborne character. I mean, come on, he looks like either the hunter from Bloodborne or Van Helsing. So he's telling Asta and Libe to come at him with 100% of anti-magic. So he's telling Asta, in order for you to become stronger and go save Yami, you need to bring out 100% of anti-magic. Yep, and the next panel we see that Asta and Libe got attacked. So hands are coming from below them. These are shadow hands, and Asta notices a tail. And the next scene, all the hands somehow surrounds Asta and Libe. So yep, they just got they just got caught by Noct. So Asta activates one of his demon slayer sword and cuts the shadow magic. So part of his body is again that black Asta form. He's so no new transformation yet. He cut Noct's magic with fair ease, but we see that he's kinda shocked, like Libe disappears. So where is Libe? He's trying to look for Libe, and we see that Libe actually got smaller. So you became smaller, says Asta. It seems like I become like this when I lend you my power. So Libe is actually telling Asta that he becomes or he gets smaller whenever he is going to let Asta use 100% of anti-magic. So one thing to say, and I'm really sorry for saying so many times, so many times, but yeah, Libe looks so cute. Then we see Noct telling Asta, your current status isn't anything like devil uniting. It's just that the power of the devil is leaking out. We know that Asta up until now haven't been able to use or utilize the full potential of Libe's power. He's just using the leftover or the leaked power from Libe. So Asta and Libe, they're talking. Asta is asking Libe, you also told me that thing, right, Libe? So yeah, Asta tells Libe that, yeah, you told me that I can't properly use your power. So how do I use your power? How can I make use of your true powers? And Libe actually saying, I don't know. Say what? Yeah, I really don't know how you can use my true power. And I was trying to take over your body and fight. So Libe's entire idea was that he's going to take over Asta's body, and then he's going to use 100% of his anti-magic. But he doesn't know how he can give Asta the access to 100% of anti-magic. So that's, I think, kind of funny at this moment, because since Libe is so chibi right now, you don't know anything at all. After you showed off so much, is because you made a mysterious contract in the first place? You do something I also don't know. So Liv is telling that okay, sometimes you do things that I don't know. And at that moment, we see that Nox telling, as expected, guess we have no other choice to find it while fighting, and Nox's entire surrounding area just gets covered with shadows, and these shadows looks like Nox's own shadow. So Nox somehow summons a actually I wouldn't say army, but yeah, like a small army of shadow, and they are going after Asta and Libe, and Libe has this kind of shocked face, like yeah, where did all the shadows come from? And we see that Noct actually jumps behind Asta, but no, Noct is actually trying to get Asta from the below, but Asta jumps back. He looks behind and he dodges all the shadows attack. So all the shadows are attacking simultaneously. Each of these guys has the same key as the vice captain. So Asta can't actually differentiate the shadows because they all have the same key. So Asta can't tell that okay, that is the real Noct or that is the real Noct, because since all of them has the same key, they all can be the same Noct. And since Asta can't actually sense magical or spiritual power, he has to rely on key. Unless you take my main body, my shadows won't disappear, says Noct. So until Asta can defeat or hit Noct's real body, these shadows won't disappear. I don't even know where the main body is as he's hiding it. So we know that Noct is in the shadow realm because his shadows are fighting, and we saw a couple of chapters ago that Noct is actually going underground, but no, he's actually above. He's disguising himself within all the shadows. So all those shadows are just a distraction. You had an even contact with the devil. Naturally, you can't control that power 100% as you are not binding him. You chose that path. So yeah, Asta chose a different path than Noct, I think, because Noct actually forced or binded his devils, but Asta didn't bind his devils, so he can't use the 100% of his power, but rather he chose to work together, cooperate with Libe. So he has to find other ways to gain access to 100% of anti-magic. So win against me with that power, says Noct. So Noct actually telling Asta that okay, you don't have to follow my path, but follow your path, but still win against me. And Asta says, right here, right now, I will surpass my limit. So we know this is the same thing that Yami always says, that okay, whatever you do, surpass your limit. If you're stuck at a wall, or if your back is pressed against a wall, surpass your limit. And Asta is saying that here, and he slashes all the shadows with a single, no, not a single, I think 1 2 3 4, so there are 4 individual slashes, I think. So he slashes all of them, so all the shadows are slashed, and a part of Noct's upper shoulder is actually slashed. So Demon Decapitator. So Asta finally named Captain Yami's sword, and its name is Demon Decapitator Katana. Let's go get Captain Yami. Let's go get Captain Yami, says Asta. So Asta is pointing the sword toward Noct. Libe is on Asta's shoulder, and Asta is telling, okay, time to get Captain Yami, and I am going to surpass my limit. But we see that, Noct doesn't like Yami that much, and he says that I hate those words. So that's the last panel. So last panel is Noct giving a daring, cold look toward Asta, and Asta is smiling and saying, okay, I'm going to get stronger, I'm gonna get 100% of my anti-magic used to, and I'm going to get Captain Yami. So yeah, that's the last panel, and it was kinda is interesting chapter. I wouldn't say that this was the best chapter. The best chapter for me would be when Asta went berserk. So that was the best chapter, but still, we didn't get any new transformation from Asta, but we did get a new transformation of form from Nog. So that's cool. And again, Pikachu Libe. Yep, all this time Ash had Pikachu, Kenpachi had what that girl's name? I kind of forgot. So every character in anime somehow get a little guy on their shoulder. So yeah, Asta just got Libe on his shoulder. So that's kind of funny. So that's all I have for you. Till next time.